back to another episode of Will to Fish. Today I'm fishing Crooked Creek in Pennsylvania. I hope you enjoy.
Careful back cast, up your back cast. Nice, good. Let that sit. That egg's gonna go right under. Okay, good. Now let that any little twitch, any stop, set. Go again, go again.
On this early season day, the fish weren't holding in big pools. As you can see, there were no fish in this spot here. However, we did a few casts just to make sure. We had to rely today on some slightly murky water as we are targeting fish that were sat in smaller runs by themselves.
Nice and easy with everything. Good, much better. Go again, more line, more up, more up. You gotta get maximum value, Steve. More tight, that's not good enough.
Yeah.
You gotta get maximum value from every cast. More.
It's just... oh, fuck.
Careful. That's also why you're on your knees. Careful.
Jesus Christ.
I know, I was like, you gotta stick down on it. He gave you the chance, he gave you the opportunity. Fine. You don't have your net, do you?
No.
I'm pissed at myself. I didn't trust myself after missing those.
Where is he?
He is.
Oh, he's still wet.
Oh, it's right.
So I managed to hook this really big steelhead. It was such a crazy spot for such a big fish, as you can see by how shallow the water is.
Oh, it's a nice fish for this creek, dude.
You got it?
Yeah.
Jesus Christ.
Oh my god. This is the biggest fish I've ever seen out of here. Get him in the water, though. Give him a little. You can get a good grip on his tail. Oh my god. Look. Do I take pictures? I'm filming.
Mate,
I'm just
film,
recording.
We'll do whatever you want.
I'm just recording. You can just screenshot, right?
Yeah.
Just so you want to get an underwater release?
Yeah.
Just look at what this fish came out of. Like.
Yeah.
Nice fish, Crooked Creek. I'd like to point out it's in his mouth. He ate an egg-sucking leech.
Later on in the trip, I took a friend to another crooked spot and he managed to catch this fish. As you can see, whilst he was holding it, some eggs came out the fish, but we did manage to let it go.
Yeah.
Thank you very much for watching. Hopefully see you in the next video. Please like and subscribe.